morning, Big Island. Nobody's out on the golf course except the maintenance guys. A couple of birds. That's pretty much it. We were visiting this statue, wondering if that other bird is still around. And then here's this tree with these fruits of some sort. All right, we are at Hilo Hawaiian Coffee in Waikaloa Village. First time here. It's a cute little shopping area with trees. And the acai bowl is and they don't have decaf. So, no coffee for Christine. But they do have chickens. Okay, apparently this giant thing is the smallest mocha you can get. Okay, we're at the Japanese gardens in Hilo. Walking around, looks pretty cool. That banyan tree's huge. There's all kinds of tropical trees. Including this thing, which looks like papaya or mango from the fruits that are on the ground, or at least the pits. She's getting into the cypress tree that has like other plants growing in it. It's kind of crazy. Like, look at that.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
It's just so different. Like, so many different things.
We're looking out into the ocean. So pretty. This guy's got his own little island right here. Look at these two trees. And then, between, we have this crazy banyan tree. What do you think?
Pretty cool. I love those trees.
This thing is so huge. It's unbelievable. Look at this canopy. I think I saw a creepy crawly in here. Somewheres.
John's checking out the mongoose. What you looking for?
A mongoose.
Did you find him?
Yeah.
Good.
These Tarzan vines are crazy. Why did you go up my leg, you crazy little gecko? Huh? Alright, we're at the new and improved Hilo Farmers Market in downtown Hilo. Look how big those coconuts are. Kirsty is getting a hoodie t-shirt from here. Yay. Alright, we're in the MacNut store. So many MacNuts. We're walking around in the nature walk at the nut house. This is huge. The flowers are usually like 100 times smaller than this. This is giant. Sugarcane. We use cute little pineapples.
Oh yeah.
We came to visit Rainbow Falls. Look out. My rooster's not here.
No.
What's going on with the rooster situation on this island? I feel like I'm a little disappointed here. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like all the rainbows.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
We're at Rainbow Falls.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Except it's not
Rainbowy.
rainbowy.
Because it's not in the morning. We're going into the banyan tree forest. Yeah, massive thing. And some bonus falls at Rainbow Falls. Look at these off in the distance. Just quietly falling. Oh, these roots are crazy. Some of these might be anaconda snakes. We don't know. Hmm?
He's digging.
Who?
Their roosters.
Oh, yeah. Huge. We're at the boiling pots. You might have seen these from down there a few minutes ago. Why is it called boiling pots? What do you think? You think they're boiling?
Yeah.
Just cool. Alright, we're at Lava Lava Beach Club. Enjoying some Huggos Mai Tais. Alright, we are here at the Lava Lava Beach Club for the very first time ever.
Yeah, I can't believe you didn't know about this.
Yeah. And it is a beautiful evening. There's boats on the water at the mooring balls. We are on the ocean right here. And it's gorgeous. Well, what did you think of the sunset?
It was beautiful.
It was a beautiful sunset, huh? Good night, son. Now it's really busy. We got this ridiculous dessert. And we got Mr. Hawaiian guitar guy, ukulele. No, really guitar. So that's good. And there's the Pacific Ocean right there. You can't see it, but we know it's there. We saw the sun go down.